Hi everybody, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and the author of many books on how to draw cartoons and manga and figure drawing. Today, I'd like to show you how to draw a very simple animal cartoon. It'll be cute because it's simple. So remember, if you can only draw something that's simple, good. It could be very effective. So we're going to start with just a couple of ovals. It's going to be an elephant, a cute little baby elephant. That's one oval. And you can make mistakes, you can sketch over, and there is the other oval. Now I'm going to go over it later with black, so stick around for that. All right, let's bring this out a little bit and bring its tail up. This is the front, this is the back. All I'm going to do is curl here for the back leg. And bring this out here on the same level, see that? The same level for the front leg. And I'm going to mirror that, like that, okay? I'm going to bring this down here, flop an ear. It's a little oversized because he's a little guy. Bring this up like this, a little dip here at the neck. I'm going to add a little bit of a curve in at the forehead and bring the trunk up like this, okay? Now I'll make it darker in a moment, but let's just get this looking right first. All the way back to the oval. A nice big cute eyebrow going up. So he's a little bit surprised. He's kind of like not knowing what's going on. I'm going to bring this out a little bit, not taper that quite so much. I'm going to bring it like this. There we go. See that? I see that's just another variation that helps. Little tiny touches. I'm going to give him a nice friend who's visiting, which is a butterfly. And maybe a little bit of hair on top, just a little bit. And we'll add a little bit of ground here. And a little smile. Now let's give it a try. Now we have everything in place. It's very simple, but I think you'll find that the simplicity is what makes it fun. Okay, ready? Now this is the part you have to be careful about the most. I always like to do the eye first. And the reason, when I do it over like this, the reason is because if the eye doesn't work, I throw the drawing out. It's that simple. If the eye isn't good, the drawing goes. See, okay, that works. Some very small eyelashes. I hate to do the entire drawing, get to the eye, it doesn't work, and I'm stuck. See, this is like an index finger, this is like a thumb, so this is stretching up here and this is below. It doesn't matter exactly how you draw that trunk as long as it's winding and as long as you follow the contour below to mirror the top one, see? We don't have to make an indentation for the mouth at all. It's got a little mouth so it doesn't really cause an indentation. That's all. That's all you need. A couple lines here for the creases, but only a couple. Again, simple. Nice and simple. Here is what a lot of people don't know, but you're going to learn it right now, and it's easy, is that for a character to be cute, the back of the head needs to be round. And you need enough of it. So pay attention to that. Most people just pay attention to the front. All right, this flops down. A little crease line there. And round. And because it's on the ground, it does something called compression, which means that it kind of flattens out. The body kind of flattens out. We'll bring that leg around. I'll bring this a little closer. A little adjustment as I go. Some of those nails. I'll bring the tail a little further down to the ground because, again, the compression of the character. And a little floppy hair right here. Makes him look a little like a kind of a slatternly boy character. little eyelash on the side. Little head, some antennas, a dot, and maybe a little marking. There you go. There you go. So that is a cute character. Everything's simple. You don't need more than that. So again, if you say, oh, I can't draw the complicated stuff, who says you need to? Some of the most memorable characters of all time are simple. Keep drawing, and I'll see you next time. Please subscribe. Thanks. Bye-bye.